Do you want over 1,000 genuine and targeted Facebook likes for your Facebook page? Do you want to reach these potential customers in the quickest time possible? Want to learn the simple strategies and techniques that pages with 100,000 plus likes know? Best of all, do you want to do this for free, without spending $1 of your money on ineffective and overpriced Facebook ads? Then join our comprehensive course and community of Facebook page owners gaining hundreds of likes every single day using the knowledge and simple strategies contained in this course. I used to spend hours every day trying to find content that a handful of fans would find interesting, only to see my posts get zero interaction and disappointedly watch my 29 likes remain stationary for weeks. I was putting in hours of my time and effort just to see other pages gaining hundreds of likes every day regardless that their content was poor. I was disappointed and confused. Instead of throwing money at my problems and spending $1,000 on Facebook ads just to get 32 unengaged fans, I thought, there must be a better way. Through countless hours of research, interviews, and experimentation, I learned how to literally attract thousands of Facebook likes every day. In this course you will learn, 1. An exact blueprint to optimize your Facebook account to maximize your likes and engagement. 2. A foolproof system of how to automatically increase your Facebook reach and influence. 3. Proven strategies for promoting your Facebook page to 1,000s of relevant and real people every day in your desired niche. The video course is presented in easy-to-learn modules that first explain the theory behind these techniques, and then show live demonstrations of them on my Facebook pages. I have also included PDF versions of the slides. These techniques super easy for easy future reference. If you have or are planning on creating a small business Facebook page, I guarantee you that the knowledge and strategies in this class will be the quickest and most effective way to achieving to your first 1,000 relative, genuine, and targeted fans. I will also personally respond to all questions and queries, and even provide my personal email address, so that you can implement these simple strategies in a foolproof way. I know the power of having a massive audience on one of the world's most important social media platforms, and I can't wait to help you get there. See you on the inside. Benji. Who this course is for: 1. Individuals wanting an exact blueprint to build a large Facebook page. 2. People who don't want to throw thousands of dollars at Facebook ads. 3. Anybody with a Facebook account. 4. Small businesses who want to know the exact steps to take to reach their Facebook goals. And the requirements for this course are: 1. Facebook personal profile. 2. A desire to grow your business using Facebook.